guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a new picture look like an antique. I have had this painting forever. It's just from like TJ Maxx. It wasn't super pricey and I really love it, but the colors don't really match my house as well anymore. So I have this black gel stain that I'm using on my dining room chairs, and I thought I might just try to use it on the painting to darken it. Okay, so if you guys are going to do this, especially on a painting that you like, I recommend doing a test strip first. So this painting wraps around, so I was able to do a test on the bottom, and as you can see, this is the normal paint. And right here is like the regular color, and then from right here on I tried the dark stain on it and it is working pretty well. It's almost dry now and it has darkened it significantly, so it looks more like antique-y and more kind of dark grayish, which is what my house is decorated like. So I'm gonna do it on the whole thing and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so first you want to open it looks so cute. I forgot how am I gonna videotape this with me looking like this. You have to wear clothes you don't like. Okay, first you want to open up the stain with a flathead screwdriver like this. You just kind of pry it upwards. Then you want to mix your stain, which this is gel stain, so it's like super globby and thick. And then I'm actually going to put the stain on this white t-shirt and then rub it onto the board itself. You want to wear gloves. So I'm applying it and just wiping it off right away because I don't want it to get too dark. I still obviously want to see the painting. Now it's a cloudy sky in London, isn't it? Okay, so let's give it better lighting over here. So that is the whole front done. Obviously I'm going to finish the sides, the top and the bottom, but it looks pretty good. There is a little bit of unevenness, which I could fix if I got my towel damp, but I actually kind of like it because it looks kind of like clouds and antique-y. I don't mind it. So I'm going to leave it. And I'll show you guys the finished product when it's dry. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a little different than normal. If you like these projects I got going on in my house, you want to keep on seeing what I'm doing, how I do it, let me know, comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. I'm gonna take this off. This is just embarrassing. Bye! Hey.